lead software engineer. I work daily on CloudStack features by developing them and also reviewing other FRs, either from the community or from other colleagues from ShapeBlue. And actually, as a CloudStack VP, daily the work involves just monitoring on the community, but actually the real work is ensuring quarterly we are, as CloudStack, as the CloudStack project, we are sending the report to the ASF, the Apache Software Foundation, that is ensuring we are sending that report to them.
As a release manager, I have some responsibilities. First one, I need to keep the community aligned and informed. So I announce the timeline of the new release. And second, I need to move the release forward. So since for the 22 is a minor release, so we focused on the scalability of CloudStack, and we work on the pull requests and the issues. And third, we need to review and test all the pull requests. And last, we need to work on the release work.
While I was working on my previous company, I had to work on a customer project which they were using Apache CloudStack and they needed some development. So I was assigned into that project and then started contributing on that company and then on the community side.
CloudStack 4.22, we work on the improvement of VMware to KVM migration, and also we work on the performance of no VNC console, which benefits a lot of customers, a lot of users.
So yes, the framework for the extensions has been introduced so that any operator or the admin should be able to plug any external code into CloudStack without having to change anything. That gives or opens the gates for many innovations. Let's say just writing simple scripts, anyone can add the support for any hypervisors. That's one of the examples, that there can be many. The one I really liked is the user data feature support for the system VMs, because that will again open gates for many possibilities. The other one I liked from the extensions feature, which Abhishek has done to add support for console for the Proxmox extension.
So I think one challenge is whenever we need to develop a new integration with CloudStack, is of course learning about this new product. There's a learning curve that we need to have before integrating that. But also whenever we work on a feature, we need to make sure that doesn't only fit the requirements for one specific use case, but also keeping in mind the entire community needs.
For each release, we use from different tools. For CloudStack 4.22 release, I use the milestone on GitHub, which gives me a good view of the issues and the pull request. Everyone will work on the reviewing and testing of the pull request and fixing the issues. That's good. Yeah, there are around 150 bug fixes in CloudStack 4.20.2, which is amazing.
CloudStack will continue evolving, especially as another great alternative to private softwares that we are getting seen as a go-to option in the open source space. So I think CloudStack has the ability to keep growing on that space. It's all about communication. I think within the team we have a great a great constant communication due to the remote nature of our team. We are constantly communicated via chat, and also we ensure whenever we need something, we request our colleagues. So we keep each other in touch for every request that we may need for help or so that's how we interact, and whenever we need something, we ping each other and we are in constant communication.
It's balancing the technical aspects and maintaining the process. I think what I have learned is to communicate everything to people at proper timelines. Usually we collaborate using the mailing list user dev, and internally with the PMCs we generally coordinate regularly, and these days we are doing on GitHub discussions as well.
We are constantly helping each other and in constant communication, so whenever we need something we can ping each other. We know who can help us best on which topic, and there's always people who is always willing to help you, and we have excellent people that knows CloudStack very well.
For everyone at ShapeBlue, it's not just engineering, anyone gets the freedom to innovate. As an example, we do maintain the feature idea boards, and as an example, this extension feature itself, where it has started with just bare metal provisioning, but it has ended up with this large scale feature.
There were many, but especially I think when we launch a new release, especially when I acted as a release manager, I felt very proud that we were managed to finish that and deliver a new version of CloudStack. Yeah, of course, the technical understanding that's required, but I think the most important things would be on the mindset to do a hard work and keep open to new reviews and different point of views, either from the community side or from within the team. That as we integrate into a community, some other people may have different opinions, and you will need to accept those and contribute in that way.
In general, or most of the times, I like the flexibility that gets with specific to CloudStack, which excites me all the time.
I do love spending time with my family. I also like doing sports. So whenever not working, trying to balance that with them, spending time with my family and also ensuring I keep doing sports. It happened to me that since I come from a country which doesn't have snow, that I never skied. So I found that people found that surprising.
I read some source code and learned some new technology to get some fresh air.